welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So for today's video I have another replica haul for you. I've got a few more items. This will probably be, to be honest with you, the last one that I'm going to do for a little while because I've done a few of these recently. But I have a little mixture. So I've got a couple of bits from a company called Okify, and I've got a pair of shoes or trainers from a company called KateHub. So first up I have the necklace that I've wanted for absolutely ages. So I already have the earrings, so these are the Van Cleef clover earrings in black, and I now have the matching necklace. So just like the earrings, they come in this beautiful little gift bag, and then there's a little gift box in there as well. And then if we open up the box, we have a little velour pouch in there which says Van Cleef and Arpels on there, and then we also have the necklace. So this is absolutely stunning. These are such beautiful quality. These earrings are, I've worn them to death and I absolutely love them. So I now have the matching necklace. So it's like this. So we have a little small linked gold chain just there, as you can see, and then we have a double clasp. So we have this little ring just here, and then we have a little claw clasp just here. Sorry about my nails, there was something stuck on but it pinged off. So yeah, we have a little claw clasp here as well, which has, I don't know if I can show you, but it has the tiniest little logo on there as well. And then if we move down here, we have this little kind of metal bit here which has what would be a serial number, and then Van Cleef Arpels little kind of initial logo there as well. Very pretty, really nice. So this is the chain on the longest setting, so it's not short. I would say it's kind of like mid-length. So just to show you, the clover is linked to the chain on 2 points here, so it's not going to, you know, fall around the chain, if you know what I mean. So sometimes, I know with me, sometimes the chain's at the back, sometimes it's like stuck up here somewhere. So at least it's gonna, you know, be stable on the chain and stay in the center. And I'll just quickly show you before I pop it on actually, the actual clover. So it's like this here, so it's really pretty, really nice. So we have the kind of black, I don't know what it is, it's like a shiny kind of material here, and then the little multiple beads all around the edge. It's just stunning, it really is. Okay, so there we go. So as you can see, it's not too short. It's, for me, it's just the right length actually. So I've just got, you know, a standard sweater on, and the length is actually really nice. I've got it on the longest setting, but obviously you can go one shorter, which would probably bring it up to about there, so more like a loose choker. But yeah, no, it's really nice. So it goes lovely with my earrings. So there, I'll just show you. So that's how it looks. Really pretty. Absolutely love it. And then I also have a gorgeous bag as well. So it's a Christian Dior replica bag, and it comes in this beautiful box here. I've got another Dior bag that came in almost the same box actually, and I've just noticed that this one actually has a little sticker on the corner there as well. So if we take the lid off, this is what we have inside the box here. So we have this here that seems to come in most of it. So I've got really itchy nose, seems to come in most of these. So it's like a receipt and then some kind of paperwork in there as well. There's a handle for the bag there, which I'll show you in a moment. And then we have the actual bag here. So it comes in this really cute little kind of white satiny dust bag here, and then we have this swan here and the Dior logo. So this is one of the saddle bags. They used to be like really on trend years ago. I'm talking when I was younger, and they seem to have come back into fashion again now, but it's quite weighty, this. So it's like this. How beautiful is this? It is absolutely stunning, really nice quality as always. So yeah, I chose this kind of really nice beige colour, which I absolutely love. So it's quite a decent size as well, isn't it? I thought it was going to be a bit smaller than this, if I'm honest, but I'm not mad about it. I'm glad it's slightly bigger. So the handle is like this. So we've got a really nice kind of thick strap handle there. So this is, you know, the short handle. And then on the sides here, we have the CD claspy metal things. Okay, so I've just taken the little plastic bits off now. So yeah, it's like that. This is so nice. It's like really solid here. So the back is like that. As you can see, it's got this kind of like little join bit there as well. So we've got that on both sides of the bag there. And then we have the fold here. So it's like a fold over closure, and then there is a little magnet just here to keep it closed. And then we have, this is just kind of like a loose bit here, and then we have the dangly bit here with the Dior metal. So yeah, this is metal hangy bit. Oh, I'm terrible at describing these, but it's got this kind of like little metal Dior logo bit there. But no, it is absolutely stunning. It feels such nice quality. It feels really solid. So there's also a little pocket at the back here, which is fully lined in like, I would say it's kind of like a bit of a Hessian lining, like a white Hessian lining. And then if we look inside the bag here, it is beautiful, really nice. So the inside also has the white Hessian style lining there as well. And then just here, we have the Dior printed logo there. We also have this little zip compartment, and then obviously the inside is just like that. I'm really surprised at how much room is in here actually. You can get everything you need in there. So as I say, we have a little zip compartment. Oh, I've just realised, sorry, there's a little label in there as well. So we have this little zip compartment here as well, which is actually a really smooth zip. And then as I showed you earlier, it also comes with a strap. So that's in here. So yeah, the strap is like this. So it's kind of like a pretty standard strap, if you know what I mean. It is fully adjustable. So we have a couple of holes in there. I might actually make an extra hole because I like to wear them kind of more as a body bag, or body bag, like a crossbody bag. So I'm probably going to put another hole slightly lower down here as well. But yeah, we have a buckle there, and then we have the clasp just here, which you can see is branded there as well. So it's one of those clasps for one side, and then we have the same on the other side as well. There's no kind of like metal bits to attach it to, so I'm assuming the only place that it can go really is there, like that. Is that right? It doesn't seem right to me. I don't know if I've done that right. Anyway, yeah, so that's what it's like with the strap on. It is absolutely beautiful. It really is. And it's definitely one that, you know, I'm going to use on a regular basis because, as I say, the size is great. I can fit everything I need in here, and it is really nice and solid and sturdy. And this is the sort of colour that will go with absolutely anything as well. So yeah, absolutely love this. I think it's beautiful. And then the very last item I have is a pair of shoes or trainers, and these are from a company called KateHub. So they're in this box here, so they're Louis Vuitton replicas, and this box is absolutely stunning. It really is. It's really nice. So it's kind of like, you know, the drawer type box here. So we have the little sticky label just there as well, and then we pull this bit out. So they come like really well packaged as well. So as you can see here, we have the Louis Vuitton paper, and then inside the box it's like this. So we have each shoe in a dust bag here, and then we have this paperwork here. I'll just quickly show you this paperwork. So we get this. Oh no, this is the laces. So we have some white laces in there, and then there's also a little kind of like card here as well. And then a little kind of a flappy envelope, and then in there we have, oh, it's like a little care booklet. So yeah, it's in all different languages, And then it's just like a little booklet that just tells you how to look after your shoes in this case. So the dust bags are like this, really nice quality actually. I think these are probably the nicest quality dust bags that I've received with a replica. And then, oh, these are actually really nice. I haven't looked at them yet. So this is what the trainers are like. They're absolutely beautiful. They're really nice quality, like really nice. I love the chunky sole on them. And then if I turn it over, we've got Vuitton just here, and then we have kind of, you know, the little flower logo here, and lots of imprints on the sole there. It actually feels like a really nice quality sole. It doesn't feel like it's going to wear down really quick. The actual trainers themselves are like this. So on the toe part, we have the little imprinted Louis Vuitton logos all around there, and these little air holes here. And then around the edge here, we have this really pretty like silvery print on there as well. There's also a little Louis Vuitton logo just here. I don't need to keep saying it, it's all over, you can see. There's a little signature there as well. And then we have the kind of padded, I love this padded print on here. On the back it says number 54. I'll be honest, I don't know much about Louis Vuitton, but I'm assuming that's kind of like one of their series maybe. You might know more than me. And then the white lace is just here. So these are white and the spare ones are as well. So, you know, at least you've got backups. And then we have a really nice kind of a chunky tongue with the logo on there. And the sole is like this. So we have the logo here, and then we have just there, you can see made in Italy. And I don't know how I'm going to show you this easily anyway. There you can just see that there's like a little serial number just underneath or it's on the tongue, but it's underneath this bit here. And then there's the other one there, so it's obviously exactly the same, but we have this little kind of rubber tag on this one here. So yeah, that's what they're like as a pair. I think these are really nice, you know. Yeah, I'm a bit boring really. I just love white trainers because I find that they just look really nice with anything, you know. They go with absolutely anything you want to wear. I've worn them with like, you know, blazers and jeans, and I've worn them with, you know, joggers. So yeah, I think you can never go wrong with a pair of kind of classic white trainers. So let's pop them on anyway and see what they're like. So here's what they look like on. They're actually really comfortable. They feel really sturdy, especially on the back of the heel, which I really, really like, because sometimes I find that the lower heel ones, I don't get the support, but these feel really supportive and they look incredible on. I love these. So there we go. Yeah, there's my little mini haul of Replica Designer. I will link all the products in the description box below for you. If I've got any discount codes, I'll pop those down there for you as well. But yeah, overall, I think I'm really happy with the stuff. I really am. The bag in particular, love the necklace as well. Yeah, as I said, I've wanted one of these for absolutely ages, so I am super happy with this. The trainers are lovely as well. Yeah, overall, I'm over the moon with it all, to be quite honest with you. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!